Hi students, how are you all? Hope all are fine and safe at your home. In the previous class, we have studied three topics: undo and redo button, eraser tool, and the color eraser tool. So these are the three topics which we have studied in our last video class in the previous class. Now in today's class we are going to study two more tools. The first one is polygon tool and the second one is line tool. So the polygon tool is used to draw different shapes. I repeat, polygon tool is used to draw different shape. You can create any shapes using polygon tool. That is the peculiarity of polygon tool. So what about other shapes? If you are using a rectangle tool, you can draw only rectangle. If you are using a circle tool, you can draw only a circle. Okay, so if you are using a polygon tool, you can create any shapes. You can draw any shapes. You can draw different shapes in the canvas of color paint. So that is the specialty of polygon tool. Now in your textbook, page number 27, they have drawn a house using which tool? Yes, polygon tool. So today we will draw a house in this class using polygon tool. I will show you how to draw, and we will be drawing using another tool, the line tool. We will be drawing a fence to our house, okay, using line tool. So line tool, what is the use of line tool? Yes, it is used to draw a straight line. Okay, it is used to draw a straight line. So let us start today's class. So dear students, tell me how to open color paint application. Yes, at the top left corner, click on applications, go to graphics package and click on color paint. Then you can see the canvas. Now at the left side you can see the toolbox. Here this one is polygon tool, this one polygon. Click on that tool. Now I am going to draw a house. Okay, so I have selected the polygon tool. Now just watch how I am drawing this polygon tool. So don't worry, if you are getting the practical classes when we are reopening the schools, you can practice this. Now you just watch how it is drawn. So you just make a click in the canvas and drag. Okay, click and drag, don't leave your mouse, and when you reach the end you just leave the mouse, and again you start from the end point. Where did you stop? You just start from the end point and draw like this, a rectangle or a triangle. Okay, and again you just complete the triangle. Okay, complete the three sides of triangle like this. Now coming down, you can create a wall. Again complete that rectangle. Okay, just clicking and dragging. When you reach a end point, you can leave the mouse. You can leave the left click. Now we have done the front portion of the house, and coming to here, this point again, and draw the upper part of the house, again the upper part, again coming down, complete the house accordingly. Okay, just click on the points, click and drag on the points. Okay, so now we have completed drawing a house. Now we need to draw a door in front of this house. So what you have to do, you can select the rectangle tool and you can draw a rectangle in the front of the house, so it will become a door. So this is how you have to use a polygon tool. So don't worry, my dear students, you need to practice this, then only it will be very clear for you. You have to do the practical session. Okay, so now you just watch the video, no problem, and understand that polygon tool is used to draw different shapes in the canvas of color paint. Okay, now I am going to give a fence for this house. So it's just using the line tool. So you click on the line tool from the toolbox and you just draw some lines like this. Okay, so you can use your own creativity. Okay, just draw the fence like this. So drawing a fence, putting some lines. Okay, after that you can, if you want to feel it like a fence, you can put a cross line across this. Okay, so you can complete this by drawing. Okay, so this is a fence of the house. So for drawing the fence, we had used the line tool, and for drawing the house we had used the polygon tool. Okay, dear students, so hope all are clear about the how to draw this house and fence. So what we have studied today, dear students, we have studied two tools. The first one is polygon tool and the second one is line tool. Okay, so what is the use of polygon tool? Yes, polygon tool is used to draw different shapes in the canvas of color paint. And what is the use of line tool? Line tool is used to draw a line in the canvas of color paint. So with these topics, I think we had completed this chapter. Now we will go for a quick revision of this chapter. So what we have studied in this chapter is which all topics. Okay, so how to open color paint? Yes, first you have to go to application, graphics and color paint. That is one topic. And what all things we can see while you open the color paint, which all objects? Yes, the canvas, the white space to draw the picture. At the left side you can see the toolbox that consists of tools to draw the picture, and at the bottom you can see the color palette which is used to color the picture. And we have studied about the foreground and background color, here you can see near the color palette two boxes. The front one is foreground and the back one is background color. And we have studied so many tools like curve tool that is used to draw a curve. Here we have drawn hills using the curve tool, and we have studied about circle tool or ellipse tool, which is used to draw the circle, and here we have drawn sun using circle tool. Then we have studied about the coloring tools like flood fill tool, which is used to fill the color, and spray can tool, which is used to make the picture attractive. And we have studied about the brush tool. Okay, so here we have drawn the river using brush tool, and after that we have studied about the polygon tool, which is used to draw different shapes. And we have studied about rectangle tool to draw a rectangle, and we have studied about the line tool, which is used to draw a straight line. And we have studied about the eraser tool, which is used to erase the picture drawn in the canvas of color paint. So what will happen if we double click on this eraser tool? All the picture drawn in the canvas will be erased. And what about the color eraser tool? Yes, it is used to erase a particular color from in the canvas of color paint. And what about undo and redo button? So undo to move back to the previous step, and redo to come back to the next step, okay, to the recent step. So these are the topics which you have to study in this chapter. So I hope all are clear about today's class and about this chapter. If you have any doubt, you can contact me in person. Okay, so that's all about today's class. Thank you very much, my dear students.